Hi, it's Karen, and welcome to All About That Fringe. I am wearing Lunar Haze, um, the color Lunar Haze. It is a Breezy Waves style, and Waves is Wavez, and it is by Renee of Paris. It is a cute, affordable, super affordable little pop and go wig. She is a basic cap, nothing fancy in terms of what's under the hood. There's just a very little bit of permatease here on top, which you can and you should give a little massage to kind of break that up. And she'll give you nice little, just enough of a lift to hold these beachy waves on the sides. Can also use some sea salt spray if you want to piece out these waves, but she's pretty much a few minutes out of the box. I gave her a little bit of a shake, put her on and went, ew, I love this color. So I have Breezy Waves in Cosmic Teal. Also love that color. And I know they sound like, crazy colors for someone my age. And I sort of want to, talk about that too in a minute. But I have it also in Creamy Toffee, which is unrooted, Marble Brown, which has really nice kind of like variations in the color. I'll show you these another time. The Cosmic Teal, which is just to die for. There's much more black in the Cosmic Teal, so the rooting, kind of shows through a little bit more, and then you've got the teal on top, so it's not like bleh, teal. But I gotta tell you, the Lunar Haze has got a lot of purple going on, and I'm glad it's rooted. I think if this wasn't rooted, it would be a little outrageous looking for me. And then here we go back to that whole age thing, and what do you like and what brings you joy? And I've been talking to a lot of people lately who have said that, there are certain people in their lives that don't want them, wearing things that are, I don't know, a little bit out of the ordinary or, I don't know, conventional kind of looks. And even things that are conventional, but maybe just not even what they're used to seeing them in. And I just want to say, if it brings you joy and if you can have some fun with it, and if it brightens your day, then please don't let people tell you what you should be wearing or how you should be wearing it. If there's someone you trust who says, hey, you know what? I don't know so much about this whole purple thing you got going on, then that's okay. Thanks for your feedback. But that does not necessarily mean that I'm going to change anything I'm doing because they don't like it. They don't like it. They shouldn't buy it. They shouldn't wear it. Right. If it's somebody I love and care deeply about and they think I look ridiculous in something, maybe I wouldn't wear it around them, but maybe I would. Because you know what? Bottom line is, I'm going to make me happy. I'm going to look the way that makes me feel joy. And right now, today, on February 28th, 2022, it's Lunar Haze in Breezy Waves and Renee of Paris. And now she's my fourth Breezy Waves. And again, I think I'll bring all four of them out one of these days. She just arrived. I think I'll bring all four of them out and kind of just show you the similarities and the differences. I can tell you the curl pattern is just a little different on this side right here. It just needs a little work, little spritz with some water and some piecing, and it'd be great. But they are all so comfortable. There's an extended nape, so it fits super, super nice in the back. It's like really comfortable and feels secure. Like I don't feel shaking my head. It's going to make anything happen. But 21 1/4 inch circumference. And I did inch in. There's little pull tab adjusters, and they're nice because they're secure. And I'm not a big fan of the hooks if I can avoid them. I'd rather have one that either is a Velcro or has those little pull tabs. This one has pull tabs. I pulled them in maybe, I don't know, 1/2 inch because they do have a smaller head, and Renee of Paris tends to have a lot of room in there for people who might need a little bit more room. If that's you, it'll probably fit you just fine. If you're a super, super, super petite head, I would say maybe, under 19 3/4, inching it in may make it puff up in ways that doesn't necessarily flatter you or make you happy. But there are some really good videos out there, including one that is done by a wig sister that I particularly like. I can see if I can maybe add that in the comments here, about taking in the wefting if you need it to be a little bit tighter. All right, so today's video is just random. I have been feeling kind of awful lately, haven't been up to making any kind of recordings. So I thought, well, today I would just pop on, show you this girl, see what we can talk about. And so my message is, do what brings you joy. And also tell your friends about the Facebook page. So it's www.facebook.com/all about that fringe. I am going to be doing some sales of my personal collection soon. And I'm also going to be doing some giveaways. So only invite people you really think are awesome, so that they're the people who are there and get to hear about the sales and the giveaways. But obviously I can't keep everything I try on. So I've got a couple of things that might be available to you at either good prices, or you might, get lucky and be one of the people who get one of my giveaways. All right. So follow here too. Subscribe, please, please subscribe. I'm not trying to make the channel all big or anything else, but I am trying to reach as many people as possible with hopefully messages that make you feel like you can do whatever's next for yourself. So for those of you who are holding back, you know who you are. You're holding back. You find somebody that who's got your back too, and then you just go marching forward and you say, this is me, I'm loving it. End of story.